What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a quick one. I don't really have anything crazy to do today, but a new part came in. I'll show you what it is right now. So this is the part. Let's take it out. I've already looked at it. I was kind of iffy with it at first. I wasn't sure about it. It might be seen as kind of like a meh mod, like not really that cool, but I'm sure you can already tell what it is. It's more carbon, which I seem to love. And it's going to be for the fuel cap. I've actually already went ahead and test fit it, and it's actually very snug. Like, it's a really good fit. It's going to be a very simple install, and as you can see, there's some scratches. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is some little scratches. I don't think any of it's through the paint, so we should be okay there. I still have to give this car a full detail, but that'll be for a later day. I actually already went ahead and put some soapy water on it, washed it all off, made sure it was clean. There's a little there, so I think I'm gonna have to apply again, and then I'll just show you guys how easy it is to install this. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick squirt again. Make sure there's nothing on it. Also make sure it's dry. Grab the part. It comes pre-applied with all this double-sided tape. So we have to go ahead, take it all off. Okay, just the last piece now. All of it's off. Now double check it's clean. Looks okay to me. I mean, there's scratches on it, but what are you gonna do? Now, I guess take your time. Line it up. Before I did order this, I was looking at the fuel cap, and I did notice it is in a little bit. So my fear was when you put this on, it would stick out. But actually, it's already the fuel cap is actually already recessed. So putting this on wasn't too bad at all. Like, it's still flush. It doesn't go past the car. It's still, it's actually, the fuel cap is still lower than the actual body of the car. So it's pretty neat. I'm just gonna pop this and then try to push pressure between them. Now you get to see how gross the inside of my fuel door is. You could see it doesn't affect the door at all. It still pops open. Looks great when you open. So what I love about it, with this color of the car, is how much it blends in. So for now, like right now, you can tell obviously, but the further you get away, the more it looks like the dark metallic gray, which I really like, and that's why I like the spoiler so much, because you can't tell until you get up close. And then with that and that, it looks really good in my opinion, especially with the lip that I don't see anyone run. I haven't seen a single WRX or STI with this. I think it looks really good. Just so you can get an idea. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's gonna be quicker than the last one I did for sure, but it's a simple mod, pretty easy. It's not hard to do. Anyone can do it, and I think it looks really good. So if you enjoyed the video, please like it, comment, subscribe, and take it easy.